ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यकोपनिषद पृष्ठ क्रमांक 200 third line from the bottom. So atmanastu kamaya, this point we should note. Atmanastu kamaya sarvam priyam bhavati. What is the meaning of the word atma? If you say priyatva apriyatva is there in atma, then what is the meaning of the word atma? Samsari. That atma will be sansari because he has priyatva apriyatva. And if you say atma va are drashtavyaha, that is the next sentence. If you remember in Brahadaranyaka, in the same paragraph, atmanastu kamaya sarvam priyam bhavati. Atma va are drashtavya. So then, which atma should be drashtavya? Samsari atma. If you see previous vakya as samsari, then next also will be like that. But that is not what is the vivaksha, intention. So now you see in Tika. आविद्यक संसारित्व अनुवादेन आत्मनो अनतिशय आनंदत्व प्रतिपादकम आत्मनस्तु कामाय इत्यादि वाक्यम इति मत्वा आह। आविद्यक संसारित्व अनुवादेन, the pratyaksha anubhava is that atma is samsari. That anuvada is done by shruti. Avidyaka samsaritva means samsaritva in atma is avidyaka because of only avidya. Vastavik it is not there. Avidyaka sansaritva anuvadena atmano anatishaya anandatva. Atmanaha anatishaya anandatva. What is anatishaya? Samas vigraha will be na atishayo vidyate yasmat. When you have any such guna for comparison, then you will have to use panchami. Na atishayo vidyate yasmat. Yasmat atishayo na vidyate. Tad anatishaya. Anatishaya ananda. Atmanaha ananda anatishaya. Anyasya satishaya. Satishayatvam will be there. Atmano anatishaya anandatva pratipadakam atmanastu kamaya ityadi vakyam. So atmanastu kamaya sarvam priyam bhavati is to show atma has anatishaya ananda. Bhashya. Na iti chet na. So that na is given there. Tad avidyaka samsaranuvadi iti atra gamakam aha. Tad avidyaka samsara anuvadi. It is avidyaka samsara anuvadi vakya. How do you know gamakam? Gamakam means some indicator. This gamakam is not like in Shastriya Sangeet, they have gamakam. This is not that. Here gamakam means jnapakam, jnapaka sutra, bodhakam. यत्र वा अन्यदिव स्यात् इति अविद्या विषय आत्मार्थत्व अभ्युपगमात्. यत्र वा अन्यदिव स्यात्. So the Tippani says the number. What is the meaning of the word yatra? Yatra means avidya kale. Like yatra nanyat pashyati, nanyat shrunoti, nanyat vijanati. Right? So there yatra means
Vidya
vidya kale. That is vidya kale. And yatra anyat pashyati, anyat shrunoti is avidya kale. So there yatra you should take as yasmin. The point I am trying to convey is this. It is not in desha. It is to be understood in kala. Kala vachaka. So in Upanishads, such yatra prayogas are there enough. But everywhere you have to understand some such implied meaning. जैसे like in Ishavasya, यस्मिन् सर्वाणि भूतानि आत्मन्येव आत्मैवाभूत विजानतः. So यस्मिन् सर्वाणि भूतानि. Yasmin means
Yasmin sthite.
vidya kale, vidya samay. When vidya is there in this way. यत्र वा अन्यदिव स्यात् इति अविद्या विषय आत्मार्थत्व अभ्युपगमात्. So there avidya vishaya atmarthatva svikar is there. Further, अनेन ही वाक्येन टीका अनेन ही वाक्येन अविद्यावस्थायाम एव आत्मार्थत्वं सुखादेर अभ्युपगम्यते. अनेन ही वाक्येन means by these such statements अविद्यावस्थायाम एव आत्मार्थत्वं सुखादेहे. सुखादेहे आत्मार्थत्वं. सुखादेहे आत्मार्थत्वं means
सुखादि आत्मार्थम.
Sukhadi Atmartha means what? Sukhadi are Atmartha. Atmartha means Atma is their Prayojanam. It is for the sake of Atma. Here Artha means Prayojanam. Like Pustakam. Pustakam is Adhyanartham. So what is the Prayojana of Pustaka? Adhyana. Sukhadi is for what? Atmartha means Sukhadi are for the sake of Atma. They have only one Prayojana for Atma. When avidyavasthayam. Because in vidyavasthayam, Atma is Ananda Swarupa, Atma is Sukha Swarupa. You don't need any other Sukha for Atma. Atmarthatvam Sukhadehe avidyavasthayam eva. Is it clear? Because in Sukhavastha, there is nothing is needed for Atma. I mean, Vidyavastha is free. Ato na tasya Atma dharmatvam. Ataha न तस्य आत्मधर्मत्वम. तस्य कस्य? सुखादेः.
Swamiji, then Dukkhadi also Atmartha?
Adipadena dukha you have to take. Adipadena dukha. So sukha dukhadi are not Atmadharma. उसको बढ़ाना है तो बढ़ा दो. आत्मनि संसारित्वस्य अप्रतिपाद्यत्वे अपि गमकम् आह. आत्मा does not have संसारित्व. आत्मनि असंसारित्व संसारित्व अप्रतिपाद्यत्वे अपि गमकम्. Atma is not samsari. For that also there is a gamakam. Gamakam means bodhaka vakyam. Tat kenakam pashyet nehananasti kinchana. So in Atma there is no samsaritvam. Samsaritvam means there is no pramata, pramana, prameya, bheda or dvaitam. Therefore there is no samsaritvam. Kaha kena kam pashyet. In this way you have to understand. Kaha चैत्रः केन करणेन कम पदार्थम पश्येत्. And the second quotation, neha nanasti kinchana, that there are no many here. Neha nana asti kinchana. What is the meaning of the word iha?
Brahmani.
Brahmani. Iha means Brahmani. तत्र को मोहः कः शोकः एकत्वम् अनुपश्यतः. Tatra, see here. Earlier yatra drashtam, now tatra. What is tatra? Vidyakale. Vidyakale ko mohaha, kah shokaha. Kasmat ekatvam anupashyataha. Ekatvam anupashyataha is for the person. Ekatvam anupashyataha ko mohaha, kah shokaha. Person who sees like this. इत्यादिना विद्या विषये तत्प्रतिषेधाच्च नात्मधर्मत्वम्. By all these quotations, what is given? Vidya Vishaye Tat Pratishedhat. Tat Pratishedhat. What is Tat? Or
Atmanah samsaritvam.
Samsaritvam. See in Tika how that Upakrama is given. Shruti Vashad Atmanah Samsaritvam Shankate. Right? Is there? So Atmanah Samsaritvam is the Shanka. Shanka Nirasa is done. Na Atmanah Tat Pratishedhat na Atma Dharmatvam. So Samsaritva Pratishedhat Sukha Dukha Dehe na Atma Dharmatvam. This is easy. Tika. Atmano asamsaritve vidvad anubhavam anukulaitum cha shabdaha. Where is cha shabdaha? Pratishedhat cha. Cha shabda is for what? Atmanah asamsaritve vidvad anubhavam anukulaitum. Atma is asansari in that vidvad anubhava is also there. It is also anukula. Means it also says what is said here. Anukulaitum cha shabdaha. Now there is a question. See. Tarka Shastra Pramanyat Atmanah Sansaritvam iti Shankate. Tarka Shastra Pramanyat. Tarka Shastra means Nyaya Shastra. What do Nyaya Shastra, Nyaya people say? Atma is samsari. They are very clear. Atmanah Sansaritvam Shankate. Bhashya. Tarkika Samaya Virodhat अयुक्तम इति चेत तार्किक समय विरोधात्. समय मीन्स सिद्धांत. सी 1 नंबर टिप्पणी. इच्छादयः क्वचिदाश्रिताः गुणत्वात् रूपवत्. इच्छादयः क्वचिदाश्रिताः. इच्छादि are ashrita somewhere. Why? Because they are guna. So whatever, if it is a guna, yatra yatra gunatvam tatra tatra kvachid ashritatvam. Yatha rupam. When the drishtanta is given, rupavat. So how you have to say yatha rupam? Like in the Vanni, Parvata, etc. How you give the drishtanta? Yatha mahanasam. Like Parvato Vanniman, Yatha Mahanasam. Like that. So this is clear, this Anumanam. Ichhadi are Kvachidashritaha Gunatvad Rupavad. Second Anumanam. Ichhadayaha Pruthivyadi Anashritaha. And so Kvachidashritaha, so they could be in Pruthivi, Ityadi. How many dravyas?
Navadravya.
No, Pruthivyadi. In that, what is the meaning of the word Adi?
Up Teja Vayu.
No. हाँ, थोड़ा जोर से बोलो. How I can't even hear. हाँ, online. पृथिव्यादि इच्छा. See, इच्छादयः. You don't have to think that there is something that you don't know. Suddenly it has come. Just use your sattvic buddhi. Ichhadayah Pruthivyadi Anashrit. Purva Anumanam said Ichhadaya are Kvachid Ashritaha. Right? They have to be somewhere. Somewhere means Ichhadi are Guna. Right? Guna will be Ashrita where? In Dravya. How many Dravyas are there? 9. Now you see what is happening here. Out of 9 Dravyas, Ichhadayah Pruthivyadi Anashritaha. Right? So out of 9 Dravya, where it is Anashrita?
In 7th Swamiji. Prithvi,
Adipadena,
Teja, Vayu, Akansha, Dik,
Adipadena,
Kala.
you have to take 7. Why 7? Why not 8?
Mana is also Ashray. I mean, Atma
Not
and
Mana.
Mana.
Atma. Atma is where the Ashraya is. That we want to prove. So this Anumanam says, Ichhadi, earlier Anumanam said, Ichhadi are somewhere in Dravya. This Anumanam said, they are not, that somewhere Adhikarana cannot be Pruthivyadi 8. Therefore, it will be the 9th one. So Pruthivyadi 8 means if you leave Prithvi, then Adipadena how many? 7. This is how. Means if you can think this fast, then it is very good. Pruthivyadi Anashrita. Chetanatva Samanadhikaranyena Pratiyamanatvat. Ichhadi will be in that Adhikarana where Chetanatva Dharma is also there. Chetanatva Samanadhikaranyena Pratiyamanatvat. And Pruthivyadi doesn't have Chetanatva. Chetana doesn't mean Vedanta Chetana. Chetana means somewhere there is life. Also according to Nayayika, Prithvi, Up, Teja, Vayu, Akasha, Kala, Dik, Mana. None of them have. Mana can have, but in this Anumanam, you understand Mana is also Jada because Vedanti will say. So they have to be in Atma. This is how they will think. चेतनत्व सामानाधिकरण्येन प्रतीयमानत्वात् यन्नैवं तन्नैवं यथा रूपादि. Not guna in. No, so we will say they are ashrita in antakarana in this way. Actually, they are not ashrita in mana. What is yannaivam tannaivam?
यत्र साध्य अभाववान् तत्र हेतु अभाववान्.
What is the sadhya here?
पृथ्वी
पृथिव्यादि अनाश्रितत्वम. यत्र पृथिव्यादि अनाश्रितत्वम न तत्र चेतनत्व सामानाधिकरण्येन प्रतीयमानत्वम न. Is this clear? See, yannaivam tanne. What is sadharana rupa of yannaivam? This is vyatireki drashtanta. Why vyatireki drashtanta is given? Because ichhadaya we want to show in Atma. All the other things, Prithvi Adi, they will not have ichhadi. But they will have other things like Rupa, Rasa, Gandha, etc. Buddhi, Sukha, Dukkha, Ichha, Dvesha, Prayatna, Ityadi, we want to show. Means Nayayika wants to show that they are in Atma. So he will say, whatever is Prithvyadi Anashrita, it doesn't have Chetanatva. Whatever is not Prithvyadi Anashrita is not having Chetanatva Samanadikaranya. If it has Chetanatva Samanadikaranya, it will be Prithvyadi Anashrita only. Means it will not stay in Prithvyadi, it will stay in something else. So now Ichhadi are Paksha. Drashtanta has to be, Drashtanta you will have to see in Sapaksha. Sapaksha is where you will get Anvai Vyapti. What is the Lakshana for Sapaksha?
Nishchita sadhyavan sapaksha.
Nishchita Sadhyavan Paksha. And Vipaksha is Nishchita Sadhya Abhavavan. So here, Sapaksha Drashtanta you will not get. That's why you will get Vipaksha Drashtanta. This is Vipaksha Drashtanta. Or Vyatireki Drashtanta. Where you know its Abhava is there. Yanna evam, tanna evam. Yatha Rupadi. So Rupadi are Prithvyadi Ashrita. They are not Prithvyadi Anashrita. Clear? I hope everybody is clear. If you are not clear, you have to give some time to this. This is simple Anumanam. Actually, Tarka Sangra has the same. This Anumanam, Ichhadaya Kvachid Ashritaha and Prithvyadi Anashritaha, this is a common Anumanam. Means it will come in many texts. Okay. If it is your first time, just note it and go through it one more time. It is simple. तेषाम एव च बहुल अनर्थात्मतया संसारत्वात् आत्मनो असंसारित्वे तन्मत विरोधः स्यात्. तेषाम तार्किकाणाम और इच्छादीनाम also you can say, they all have bahula anartha, bahula anarthatmatvam. Means all problems are there when you have desires. And if these desires, ichhadaya, ichha, dvesha, sukha, dharma, ityadi, all of them, if they are in Atma, then that Atma will be samsari, because this is samsara, sansaratvad, Atmano. So Tarkika will say Atma is samsari. You Vedantin are saying Atma is asamsari. So that is this line now. Atmano asamsaritve tanmata virodha syat. In Tippani only. Atmano asamsaritve. According to Tarkika, if Atma is asamsari, there is a virodha. न च प्रामाणिक समय विरोधे तत्व व्यवस्था इत्यर्थः. प्रामाणिक समय, प्रामाणिक सिद्धांत, ये सिद्धांत which is based on pramana like shruti pramana etc. प्रामाणिक सिद्धांत विरोधे, if तार्किक ग्रंथ has प्रामाणिक वेदांत सिद्धांत विरोध, that tattva vyavastha is not. न च प्रामाणिक समय विरोधे तत्व व्यवस्था स्यात्. There tattva vyavastha will not be agreeing when there is प्रामाणिक समय विरोध. Or tattva vyavastha means there will be disagreement because you are saying something, they are saying something, and they are going to use tarka to prove, and you are going to use shruti to disprove in this way. Tarka is given there, but common man will say, but I am experiencing, I am dukhi. What are you saying? You go on saying thousands of times, Atma is asansari. Look at me. What will you say? So this is the Drishtanta. See in Tika. Buddhyadi Chaturdasha Gunavan Atma iti Tarkika Samaya. What is Tarkika Siddhanta? How many gunas are there in Atma? 14. What are they? Buddhi, Sukha, Dukha, Ichha, Dvesha, Prayatna. Then Dharma, Adharma, Sanskara. How many are there?
So plus samanya 5.
What are the Samanya Dharmas? Somebody else?
Parimana, Pratyakha, Sanyoga, Vibhaga.
When I say somebody else means somebody else should answer. Then I will know other people are also studying Tarka Sangraha. If we want to do Kiranavali Tika, Kiranavali Tika is Moolam, then Padakritya, then Nyaya Bodhini, then Deepika, then Kiranavali Tika. Okay, Buddhyadi Chaturdasha Gunavan Atma iti Tarkika Samaya. Tena Virodhat, there is Virodha. Tasya asamsaritvam ayuktam. You are saying Atma is asansari, it is not appropriate. Tarka viruddho hi siddhanto bhavati ityartha. Here Tarka means logic or yukti. Any siddhanta will be a siddhanta only if it is proved by yukti, logic. So your siddhanta is opposed to Tarka. Somebody is saying to Vedanti. Vedanti is asking a question now. See, how to ask a question to a Tarkika? We have to learn this. Sarva tarka avirodhi va, katipaya tarka avirodhi va siddhanta. You said tarka aviruddho hi siddhanta. Siddhanta will be, it should be free from all tarka virodha, right? Should it be free from all tarka virodha, sarva tarka avirodhi or katipaya tarka avirodhi? Suppose you take first one, na adyaha. Tarkikadi siddhantasyapi mitho vaidika tarkaischa virodhat. Asiddhi prasangat. Even Tarkikadi siddhanta has paraspar virodha. Mithaha, 5 number tippani. Five number tippani is given there, but there is no 5 number.
There's Sunaji down below. Down. 5th line from bottom.
Mithaha. Okay, they have given some long thing. Mithaha, I will tell you. Like Prachin Nayayika and Navyane. Between them only there is enough virodha. And then so many Nyaya Acharyas are there. Other Acharya, not all Acharya, but some Acharyas have different things. Like some people will say Sankarya, Jati Sankarya is dosha. Somebody will say Jati Sankarya is not a dosha. Somebody will say there are not only Sapta Padarthas, there are more Padarthas. But they are not mentioned. Why? For moksha, you need only 7 Padartha Jnanam. So like that, they have Paraspar Virodha. That is Mitha. And Vaidika Tarka Ischa. And there is Virodha with Vaidika Tarka means Mimamsakas also. Even if you don't take Vedantin, the Virodha is already known. Even Mimamsakas and Nayayikas have Paraspar Virodha. So where their Siddhanta is not Sarvatarka Virodhi, and therefore there will be Asiddhi even in their Siddhanta. And if you say Katipaya Tarka Avirodhi, Dvitiyetu Shrauta Tarka Avirodhar, Atma Asamsaritva Siddhanto api Siddhyat. Some Avirodha. So we have some Virodha, some Avirodha. Katipaya Tarka Avirodhi is enough. Atma can be Asamsari. Iti Abhisandhaya Aha. Did everybody understand what is said here?
नहीं स्वामी जी,
Yes or no?
नहीं समझ में
Yes, Swamiji.
नो
सर्वतर्क अविरोधी सिद्धांत और कतिपय तर्क अविरोधी. Only some contradiction, no contradiction is allowed, or some contradiction is allowed. So first said no contradiction, there is no such thing, because even Nyaya Darshan doesn't have no contradiction thing. They also have contradictions. And some contradiction is allowed. Then Vedanta Siddhanta will say this is one of the point that we don't agree. You say it is samsari, your Atma is samsari, our Atma is asamsari. Na yuktya api in Bhashya. Na yuktya api atmano dukhitva anupattehe. With yukti also we will prove Atma cannot be dukhi. Kincha दुखादिर आत्मधर्मो न भवति वेद्यत्वात् रूपादिवत् अनुमानम. दुखादि ही इस पक्ष, आत्मधर्मो न भवति, दिस इज साध्य. आत्म न आत्मधर्मत्वम, दुखादि ही दुखादीनाम न आत्मधर्मत्वम वेद्यत्वात् रूपादिवत्. रूप इज वेद्य, रूप इज नॉट आत्मधर्म. Dukhadi are also Vedya or not? Do you know your sorrow?
yes
That means it
Yes,
is not
Swamiji.
yours. That means it is not you. Why? Because you know it. Like Ghata Pata Ityadi, something is known. Vedyatvat na Atma. Na Atma na Atma Dharma. Nahi dukkhena pratyaksha vishayena atmano visheshyatvam. Pratyaksha vishayatvat. Tell me the line. नहि दुखेन प्रत्यक्ष विषयेण आत्मनो विशेष्यत्वं प्रत्यक्षा विषयत्वात्. You tell me the meaning of this line.
Atma is not the Visheshya.
One minute. Wait. Visheshya means Visheshana for Atma. Why? Pratyaksha Vishayatvat. Tell me online, because the answer which I got here, nobody has heard there. So question is still open. Dukkha is pratyaksha. Atma is pratyaksha avishaya. Pratyaksha avishaya Atma cannot have pratyaksha vastu as its dharma. Like pataha. Pata is dravya. Patasya rupam is pratyaksham. Pata is pratyaksha, rupa is also pratyaksha. Apratyaksha vastu, like Himalaya from here, means this side I can see, but let's say this side. Apratyaksha. Apratyaksha Himalaya, can I see its rupa? If the vastu, dharmi is apratyaksha, dharma also will become apratyaksha. Pratyaksha vastu cannot become visheshana for apratyaksha visheshya. That is the line. Pratyaksha visheshana cannot be there for apratyaksha visheshya. For example, dandi purusha. Danda is pratyaksha, but purusha is apratyaksha. Is it possible? Unless person is hiding behind and he just gives danda in front. But we know that even if you just see the hand, he is pratyaksha now. Because danda by itself cannot be there. Any visheshana cannot be but there by itself. It has to have vishesha. Both will be either pratyaksha, means pratyaksha vishaya, or both will have pratyaksha avishayatvam.
Swamiji, can we say samana sakta?
No, that is different. See in Tika. Pratyaksha avishayatva uktya pratichas tad vishaya dukkha visheshyatvam ayuktam pratyaksha pratyakshayoho shabdakashayoriva dukkhatmanorapi gunagunitva sambhavat iti shankate. This is the last line we will see. This line itself is complex. See, when you study in this way and you pay attention to all these things, you will have to put forth a lot of effort in your buddhi to understand what is said. If the question is asked, what is dravyatva vyapya jati? What is the question? What is the dravyatva vyapya jati? You cannot give the answer. Dravyatva is vyapaka of prithvitva. Because the question is, what is dravyatva vyapya jati? You say prithvitva is dravyatva vyapya jati. So even if I know some answer, my answer has to fit in the way the question is asked. And that is where I have to think. The whole objective of this kind of vakya is to make sure my buddhi is so trained. See, pratyaksha avishayatva uktya. Pratyaksha avishayatva uktya. Pratyaksha avishayatvam kasya? Next word is
Atmana.
pratichaha. Pratichaha means of the Atma. Pratyaksha avishayatva pratichaha iti uktya tad vishaya dukkha avisheshyatvam ayuktam. Purva Pakshi is saying that dukkha cannot be visheshya for that is not right. Why? He gives drishtanta. Pratyaksha apratyakshayoho shabdakashayoriva dukkhatmanorapi gunagunitva sambhavat. Akasha is pratyaksha or apratyaksha? Apratyaksha. And shabda is pratyaksha. Like that, dukkha can be pratyaksha and atma can be apratyaksha, and between them guna gunitva or dharma dharmitva is possible. Iti shankate. Om purnamadaha purnamidam purnat purnamudachyate purnasya purnamadaya पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।